It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel as a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to install Google Play Store in your laptop or computer. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So bless me. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to successfully install Play Store on our laptop or on PC. A very easy in few minutes tutorial. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open your Chrome browser, just like what you see on the screen of this video. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to navigate to this Google Apps right here. And then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on Play. So it's going to open up into this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on these three dots. Then you have to scroll down and navigate to Save and Share. Then you navigate to Create Shortcut. Then this window is going to pop up. Make sure this window is checked. Then click on Create. So in a few minutes, you're going to have the app successfully installed on your PC, just like what you see right here. So right here, just click on Yes. Then by the time we minimize this frame right here, we're going to have the app icon on our PC screen. Okay, now let's bring it out the apps. So right here we have the Play Store successful install on our PC. Now let's navigate to the app and see how and where we can find some of the relevant apps that we can install on our PC. Right here under the game section, we have window game, we have phone game. So let's quickly click on phone. Alright, so these are the available games under the phone section. You can simply scroll down and see. So you can simply scroll down and see more game for phone section. Okay, so that is for games. Then let's navigate to apps right here. So under this apps right here, you'll be able to see a lot of apps under this category though. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down and then you see apps that you can successfully download and install on your PC, just such as Facebook, Telegram, Snapchat, Opera Mini, etc. There are a lot of apps right here. Just like the way you have it on your phone is the way you're going to have it on PC. Now let's navigate to the last tab right here, which is Kids. So under this Kids section, this is where you can find a relevant and useful apps for your kids. So and in this particular section here, so these are categorized into 4 different ages. So all ages up to 12, ages up to 5, ages 6 to 8, ages 9 to 12. So let's, for instance, you want to get any of the app for your kiddies at the age of up to 5, just click on ages of up to 5. Then you are going to see all the relevant apps that can be useful for your kids between the ages of 5 upward. Okay, so you can simply scroll down and see all the kiddies apps right here. So from here you can simply click on any one of them and download. If you want to download this particular Mafu HQ, just click on it and then it's going to prepare the file. Then from there you can simply hit on install right here and then you are going to be fine. So this is how to install Google Play Store on your PC, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.